Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You have Garageband open and the song imported. Now start the removal. First, create an audio recorder or track, then import the file into that track. Once done, double-tap the track header, choose track controls and tap plugins and EQ so you can access editing tools. Make sure you use headphones to hear subtle changes. This step prepares the track for processing. You need access to EQ and noise gates to reduce prominent center vocals. You'll now sculpt the sound to suppress vocals. Open Visual EQ and use 1 or 2 bell filters to notch the midrange around 1 to 3 kHz where lead vocals live. Reduce those bands by about 6 to 12 decibels. At the same time, keep low-end and high-end bands relatively untouched so drums and guitars remain natural. Once you've notched, add the noise gate plugin and raise the threshold slowly until most vocal remnants drop below the gate, but instruments stay intact. Finish by listening to the whole mix and toggling plugins and EQ to compare before and after. Make small adjustments. Widen or narrow the bell cue, slightly increase dB cut, or tighten the noise gate so instruments don't sound hollow. If vocals still poke through, export the track and use a desktop polarity/inversion or dedicated vocal remover for better center cancellation. Finally, save a copy and bounce the processed track to a
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.